In this video, you'll learn what is better, affiliate marketing or freelancing, and which one makes more money and how long do both of those take. Hey guys, Adam here, and welcome to my channel Snag Success, where I share tips and tricks on how you can start making money online and gain financial freedom. Okay, so what makes more money, freelancing or affiliate marketing, and which one's better? So let's start with freelancing. Actually, freelancing is essentially where you go to places like Upwork or Fiverr, and what you do is you create gigs for people. Okay, so let's say you can offer freelancing like freelance writing. Okay, so you can write articles for other people for money. Or let's say you are offering video editing services. Because I buy these too. I buy video editing services as well. And I also buy logos from say Fiverr. So you can also charge for logos. You could also charge articles, like I just said. Then you could also charge for SEO services, for example, like Web 2.0s and something like domain authority stack. Okay, that's a bit more complex, PBNs and whatnot. So what is essentially better? With freelancing, what you're doing essentially is you're taking your time and essentially working on someone else's business for commission. And now that's fine and all, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. However, I personally think affiliate marketing is way better than freelancing, because with affiliate marketing, with affiliate marketing it will take longer than freelancing, just so you know. However, keep this in mind. With freelancing, it also takes time. Everyone's gonna tell you, oh, freelancing is simple, you instantly make money. No, you don't. Because you're gonna need to build up a portfolio. Okay, so you're doing all this work, and you're not really working. You're not building anything. With affiliate marketing, if you're doing it the proper way, you're actually building a proper business. Okay, you're building an asset which you can sell later on. So essentially, let's say you create a website and then write articles, rank and do all of that, right? With affiliate marketing, you're gonna need to learn all these things. Okay, it's not super hard, but it's gonna require effort. But again, guys, take a look at freelancing. That's also gonna take an effort. You're gonna need to write quality articles if you're just writing for other people. You also need to learn SEO if you're offering SEO services. But the thing with this is, people who are buying from freelancers, they're essentially business owners, right? They're people who are also doing affiliate marketing. Like, I personally buy myself from freelancers all the time, right? So clearly, I would be making more money. I am making more money than people who are freelancing. Of course, there's exceptions to this, right? There are some freelancers who charge a lot of money, and you could also, okay, if you get like really advanced with freelancing, what you guys can do is you can start an agency where you start hiring people. Okay, so you have other people working for you, and you just bring in clients, and you could also outsource all these different things. So at that point, yes, it is still it would be the same as affiliate marketing. But if you're just doing freelancing, there is no way in hell it's better than affiliate marketing. However, with affiliate marketing, right, a lot of people fail. Okay, don't, like, even with freelancing, yes, they do fail, but less percentage of people fail with freelancing. But with affiliate marketing, a lot of people fail because A, they don't put in the effort. B, they don't have proper guidance. They don't have proper information. Okay, so that's why I always promote this course called Savage Affiliates, which is an affiliate marketing course by Franklin Hatchett. He makes like 7 figures, and this course, okay, guys, this course is one of the most affordable courses. Most affordable is $197. Again, that's super cheap. There's people out there who are selling $2,000 courses, which are complete garbage. Okay, and yes, I can promote those courses too, just so you guys know. However, people are not going to find results, A, and they're going to get upset, and B, there will be a high refund rate. Anyways, again, so you need like focus. You need to put in effort. You also need to have proper guidance and training. That's why I'll leave a link in the description. You guys can also check out my Savage Affiliates review. Um, but yeah, so again, you're gonna need to do all these things properly, and it will cost you a little bit more money to get started with affiliate marketing than it will with freelancing. However, I want you guys to realize that the opportunity you and the amount of money you guys can make with affiliate marketing. This is essentially a business you're actually owning, and you're creating a business. Okay, a lot of people treat this like, oh, it's just something online, just some side money, like a couple of pennies here and there. No, no, no. You actually want to do a proper business. That's why I recommend Savage Affiliates. But again, if you do this the proper way, you can actually make money passively. That's the thing, guys. So if you do this the right way, right, you do it where you create a website and you have a bunch of different articles. You do SEO optimize them. Then you also create a YouTube channel. You don't need to, but again, it's just better. And you get traffic from there. You point them to your website, and your new website. What you guys can do is you can there's many different ways, but you guys can have your affiliate links, so every time someone buys it, you get commission. So all you need to do once you set these up essentially is get more traffic, right? And after you're getting traffic, right, I don't know if you guys know this, but on Google traffic, right, let's say you write something really awesome, and you know how to promote it, you know how to do SEO, all that. That's what Savage Affiliate teaches. You guys can essentially make money passively without even working. So you were just working once and you're making money. You keep on making more and more for months and years to come. That's how powerful this stuff is. Okay, guys. You could also have an email responder series where it automatically sends them emails like that, and then so you offer them a lead magnet essentially for you offer them something for free, a small PDF, a report or whatever, and they'll sign up under you, and then they'll get whatever you're providing, and then later on you could pitch them a product and make money. You can keep on so from one customer you can keep on getting more and more sales because it's just one customer, and you have their email, and then you could send them multiple different products which are actually useful. But yeah. So that's affiliate marketing with freelancing. Yes, you guys can actually grow it to an agency. If you do go it to an agency, it is good actually, because you're outsourcing everything and you're growing like an actual business as well. But again, this is an agency is a lot harder to get started with than affiliate marketing, because you're dealing with clients and whatnot. It's a bit of a headache. I have done it. Actually, I was gonna plan on doing more of it, but I don't know if I'm gonna continue or not. I like affiliate marketing more. So again, freelancing is decent. I don't know if you want if you're lacking patience, and again, I still don't recommend freelancing. I don't know, like, because again, look at what affiliate marketing has to offer, right? Now, of course, if you do this the wrong way, you're gonna lose money with affiliate marketing, okay? Unless you do the free ways. But yeah, so with freelancing, you will just you won't lose much money if you're doing it the wrong way. I guess no one's gonna buy from you, so I guess that's sad. So for freelancing, what you want to do is I'm gonna tell you some sites to if you're freelancing to go to. One is legit.com. I'll leave the link in the description for all of these. And then there's obviously Fiverr, and then there's Upwork. Those are the three I know. You could also go on a Pro Blogger and write articles. You could also go on Hire Writers. I think that was another one. But these are the three I mainly buy from. And for affiliate marketing, I just showed you guys what how to do this. If you want to do it properly, get the Savage Affiliates course, link in the description. Make sure you watch the review before you decide to purchase, if you do. And I hope you guys like this video. I just wanted to quickly share if which one's better and pros and cons of each. Thanks for watching.